Today we're going to show you how to wrap a rear side mirror. So first thing is first, we need to create the perfect environment. The temperature indoors has to be 16 to 23 degrees Celsius for optimal results. And secondly, we've got to make sure the environment is clean. So grab a broom or vacuum, make sure there's no dust or any other contaminants. Next, it's time to measure our side view mirror and then cut a piece of vinyl out, but leaving a bit of extra room for later for adjustments. Next, remove the mirror for easier access later. Now it's cleaning time. Use a car cleaning solution and a microfiber towel to give the mirror a deep clean. For an extra smooth surface, hit it with a clay bar and dry it thoroughly. And now it's time for step 3, which is applying the vinyl. So let's get that vinyl ready. We'll gently heat it up to make it more pliable. You can hang it over an open window to do this. Now anchor the vinyl at the rear side of the mirror, leaving a little extra past the arm. Warm up the vinyl again before stretching. We want the vinyl warm, not hot. Keep it just warm enough to relax the vinyl. Pull the vinyl gently to minimize tension and flatten out wrinkles. Add a bit more heat if needed. And then we're going to tackle the corners first and work our way to the flat area. Use our fingers to secure the vinyl as we go. Then once the vinyl is settled, squeegee the material down nicely. And finally, trim the excess and seal the edge. And now it's time for just a bit of the finishing touch. We're almost there. Post-heat the vinyl, especially around the edges. This is going to help it adhere properly. Now, last but not least, reinstall the mirror and voila, you've got a brand new wrapped mirror.